I'm 13 and I got the vaccination, so I'm safer from COVID, and so my body fights it better.
Got my second dose today because I chose to keep myself safe, my family and my community safe, and to also keep my mental well-being safe as well.
I just thought if I catch it, I don't want to take it back to the young people at home or the old people, my mum and my son, just in case.
After a while, my arm did tend to feel a bit sore, but nothing else happened, so it was fine.
It felt like nothing. It was pretty good. I mean, getting stabbed by a needle, you'd think it'd be sore, but it wasn't. It was alright.
It was my choice, but they obviously went through talking with me about COVID and the vaccination, and then at the end of the day it was my choice whether I got vaccinated or not.